A second option to sharing your screen in your classroom is to use the casting feature in Windows 11. So if you click on your taskbar down at the bottom, click the pencil, and you're going to add cast. And so this button right here is going to allow us to do that. Then click done. Now if I click cast, it brings up this part. So this is my projector. I'm going to connect to that. And the cool part with this is this allows you to utilize your interactivity with your whiteboard without being connected to the hub, but you must check this box. I'm running on duplicate, so this screen that you see here will be the exact same one that is cast to the classroom. If you do extend, that would allow you to have one screen dedicated to working and then one screen that the students would see. So if I click duplicate, I am now casting in my classroom. So now you're ready to cast. You will now hit the home button either on your remote for your projector or on the screen, and you will see a new option pop up that says screen mirroring. When you select that option, you will see what is on your computer screen on your whiteboard in your classroom.